Is license. A license is a guarantee by a party to another party as an element of an agreement between those parties. In the case of a license issued by a government, the license is obtained by applying for it. In the case of a private party, it is by a specified arrangement, usually in writing, such as a lease or other contract. The simplified definition is a license is a promise not to show, because a license usually either permits the licensed party of engage in a activity which is illegal and subjected to without the license, or it permit to licensed party to do sometimes that would violate the right of the licensed party. Example, make copy of copyrighted work which without the licensed party could be sued civil, criminal or both. In parties, a license may be issued by authorized to allow an activity that would otherwise be forbidden. It may require paying a fee, a providing a capability of or both. The requirement may also serve to keep the authorized informed on a type of activity and to give them the opportunity to set conditions and limitation. In parties, a license may grant a license under intellectual property law of authorize a use such as copying software or using a patent. Invitation to a license, sparing the license from a claim of infringement through the license. A license under intellectual property commonly has several components beyond the grant itself, including a term, territory, renewable provision, and other limit vital to the license terms. May license are valid for a particular length of time. This protects the license should the value of the license increasing or market conditions change. It is also preserve enforceability by ensure that no license extended beyond the terms of the agreement. Territory. A license may with the territory the rights pertain to, for example, a license with a territory limit to the North America, Mexico, United States, Canada would not permit a license any protected from action for use in Japan. Again, in shorthand, definition of license is as a promise by the license not sold to the license. That means without a license, any use of exploitation of property by a third party would amount to copyright infringement. Thanks for watching this video.